Hello everyone, so let's move on to our next lesson, which is 12-5. So here comes the example. Alright, so what is that? It's still in reference to a circle. Few more relationship and another example. So this is the relationship we needed to know. Pretend there's the circle and this circle has a tangent. I hope you remember tangent is something that touches the circle from outside. So there's a tangent and a chord. So let me just label each one. So this is a tangent and a chord. And I hope you remember chord is something that just like connects one corner from the circle to another corner. So the diameter is an example of a chord. So let's say this corner, this point connects here. So line segment that's inside the circle goes from one point to another point. So you have a chord and a tangent. So wherever those two things meet up, there would be an angle, which is this one here. So what would be the measure of this angle? So here's the relationship. Keep in mind that angle is just like another type of inscribed angle. So it means it carries the same relationship you have for any other inscribed angle. So basically this angle, if I label, let's just say this is A, this is B, and this is C. If I ask you to find the measure of angle A, B, C, or just say, you could say that, just angle B, that would be equal to half of its intercepted arc, which is, that goes from B to C. So half of this arc. So I repeat, it's same like, it's just like another type of inscribed angle. So let me show you an example, or let me just put up something over here. So let's say this arc that goes from here to here is 110 degrees. So what would be the angle exactly at angle B? That would be half of that. So this angle would be 55 degrees. Let me show you another example. Pretend another circle. I have a tangent, which is outside, touches the circle from outside, and there's a chord that goes like this. Okay, now let's label this tangent as S, Q, and this point is R, and then I have Q and this point is P. Let's just say there's another random point which is M. Okay, so my question, or let me just say what's given. Let's just say arc length S, I'm sorry, not R, okay, it's not S, arc length PMQ, which goes from this point all the way here, is equal to 212. So find angle PQR, which is this one over here on the other side. Okay, first of all, let's use the number we know to solve for any of the information here. So 212. 212 is this entire arc. So what's the relationship? So isn't it this angle, which is with this tangent and chord, it's going to be half of this. So that's going to be 106 degrees here. And now the next postulate I could use is it's straight angle. So you know this entire tangent is a straight angle or straight line, and on that straight line, you know it's always going to be a straight angle, which is always equal to 180 degrees. And since we just figured out this side, which is equal to 106, so how would you find the other side? If I take away 106 from 180, so my answer would be 74 degrees. So that's how we do it. Okay, so that's all about tangent and chord relationship. So again, this is just like another type of inscribed angle. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.